In this video, we're going to be looking at algebraic terms. Here we have an equation, 5x plus 7 equals to the square root of 2. We're going to be fully analysing this. I've underlined 7 and the square root of 2. These are constants. A constant is a fixed quantity that does not change. Here I've underlined x. X is a variable, and variables are symbols that represent an unknown value. Here I've underlined 5. This 5 is a coefficient. A coefficient is a number placed in front of a variable. In this case, the 5 is placed in front of the x, and it shows the quantity of the variable. We can see that there are 5 x's. Here I've underlined 5x, 7 and the square root of 2. These are terms. A term is a number or a variable or them multiplied together. They are also separated by operations. Here I've underlined 5x plus 7. This is an expression. An expression is made up of one or more terms and is never containing equals, not equals, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. Here I've underlined 5x plus 7 equals to the square root of 2. This is an equation. An equation consists of two or more expressions separated by equals, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. We have fully analysed this equation. Okay, hopefully you are confident on some algebraic terms. If this video helped you, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share the video.